Yes, it is lovely to be here in this safari place. Here we can talk about closer to nature, and closer to nature is closer to God, as it's always said. So why is it said that closer to nature is closer to God? In the first place, there is a law in the universe. If you preserve something, you will also be preserved. So if we, the humans, preserve nature, nature will preserve us. So it's a way for survival that it is so necessary to preserve nature. See, now, in the atmosphere, there is life force. When humans interrupt the life force, like in the cities, we are having a lot of soot from the vehicles, from the factories, and we interrupt the life force which is in the atmosphere. But here in nature, life force is abundant everywhere, and if we were to let there be more life force, then there will also be preservation of our humankind, and it helps our own spirituality. See, because wherever there is life force, we can grow faster, we can develop spiritually as well. So here we are in the safari in Kenya, and it's amazing seeing nature everywhere. And it's a recommendation. It should be something all mankind should embrace, appreciate, and conform to. This is something that also attracts prosperity, because whatever you do and it preserves nature, nature will do some things to preserve you yourself. And for that matter, that reduces the hustling, the stress that man goes through. It's because we deny natural things, and we adore things which are opposite to nature. You see, when humans do things, they are unnatural most of the time. When God does things, we call those things natural. You see, the first-hand things that came from God, they are always natural, they are always good for us. But we disturb those things and create our own. See, you can see the examples everywhere in human life, and all the troubles the humans are passing through, most of them like ailments and so on, they are because of disturbance of the natural patterns that God has set. See, so we cause our own problems. In fact, if we become natural, there will be less problems, and there will be also less poverty. See, nature will provide so much for us to move on. Even on the physical level, we can see how the plants are providing oxygen. You see, apart from oxygen, there is something we call life force. That one many people are not aware of. But wherever there is nature, there is life force, and it is amazing. In town, in cities, there is less life force. See, when people are crammed together and they are sort of competing for the life force. But when you come to places like this, you see, there is so much life force in the atmosphere, and this is something to be appreciated. Beloved brothers and sisters, yes, wherever we are, we should we should have a lot of plants and flowers and gardens and vegetables and we'll be closer to nature by so doing. And for that matter, it helps our health physically, it helps our health mentally, and also spiritually. Thank you, brothers and sisters.